Welcome to my channel. My name is KK Alice. In today's tutorial, we are going to draft a UK size 12 straight skirt. So this is the measurement I'm going to use. I don't know if you can see it clearer. Yeah. So the waist is 28 divided by 4 is 7, and plus 1 inch that is give us 8. The hip, let me write waist and hip, and this is the skirt length. So like waist is 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7 plus 1 inch that is equal to 8. Hip is 38 divided by 4 is give us 9.5, and the skirt length is 23 inches. So waist is 7 plus 1 inch that give us 8. Hip is 9.5. I'm not going to add sewing allowance simply because it is a block which can be manipulated or adapt to any other styles you want to use it for. So it's the basic. So I'm not going to add sewing allowance. So I'm just going to use the measurement, the exact measurement. So let's begin. So from this line here to this line is the hip, is the waist to the hip measurement, which is 8 inches. But it will be more than 8 inches if you are an individual with a full figure, or sometimes they call it plus size. If it is plus size, it might be something like 9 inches or 10 inches. I am a plus size, so my own distance from the waist to the hip is 10 inches. So this is the back and this is the front. So this is the from hip to the hem, depends on whatever measurement you want it to be. But in today's tutorial, the whole length of the skirt is 23 inches. So the waist is 7 inches plus 1 inch, well, plus 1 inch that it gives us 8 inches. It gives us 8 inches. And the hip is 9.5, which stop at on the exact line. So if you want to draft your straight skirt, whatever the measurement of your full hip is, you divide it into 2, which is for front and the back. Let's say your hip is 44. So if you want to measure or like know the exact size we need to draft the skirt. So let's say your hip is 44, you divide it into 2, it gives you 22. So the whole length, the whole measurement for the half of the, 1/4 of front and back will be 22. So like because this one is 38, so the half of it is 19, so this is 19 inches. 19. So 1/4 of the back and 1/4 of the front. So let me start again from the waist. So the measurement of the waist is 28 divided by 4 give me 7, and I added 1 inch for the that gives me 8. So the 8 stop somewhere here. The 8 stop somewhere here, and the hip is 38 divided by 4. It gives me 9.5. The measurement stop from this line. because I've done my calculation already. Okay, I think I can use this. So I'm going to use this to grab the shape. So that's it. And the length is 23. The length is 23, yeah, the length of the skirt, and that is the back. And the front is, this is the center front line. So we measure 7 inches plus 1 inch dart, gives us 8 inches. So that's the 8 inches here. And the hip measurement is 9.5, which stops here. Very simple and easy to draft. So this is the front. So but because the side, our side is longer, so I'm going to add ½ inch to the top. So this is the ½ inch here. From here to here is ½ inch. ½ inch. Then I extend my line. Then here ½ inch as well. Let me measure it. Here ½ inch and ½ inch, and you so you will need to from the ½ inch here, from the ½ inch extension, you will need to extend it to the waistline. So I'm going to cancel this. Then we connect the front extension as well. We connect it to the waistline. However, we need to redraft it to make it more smoother. I think this one is okay. This one is okay. Yeah, it's very obvious that that one is okay. Then we need to measure our dart. So this is the from center front to where the dart is 3 inches, but we can make it 4 inches or 5 inches. It depends on your preference. And the same thing applies to the front skirt as the front part as well. This is the back and this is the front. So now I need to measure the dart. So the for the back dart, I'm going to use 6 inches. So from the center back to the dart is 3 inches, and the length of the dart is going to be let's say 5 inches. Yeah, 5 inches. So it's going to be in the middle, and I'm going to place ½ inch here and ½ inch here. So the same thing applies to the front skirt as well, ½ inch on both sides of the and we are going to connect it. The measurement to the half inch is 3.5. 3.5. So that's the back dart. The back dart is 5 inch. In so many cases, we don't really need that for the front, but if you want to add that to it, you can just use like 4 inches. So it's going to be 3.5 like the back. This is the 3.5. 3.5 from the center front, and you connect the dart to the, so we call it dart leg. So that's just it. That's the front and front dart, front waist dart, and this is a back waist dart. So this is just it. This is it. I hope you see it clearly. Or maybe I should just turn it this way. That's just it. The back and the front. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any question, you can put it at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you will be able to be the first to see my future videos when I upload them. So I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to click the like button as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.